Things are about to get interesting. Step over here into the light. That is a piece of 2¼ inch outside diameter pipe that I jammed, and I do mean jammed because it did not want to fit. A 2¼ to 2½ inch internal diameter adapter together with a 2¼ crimped tail spout. Yeah, let me explain what this is about to do. Let me clear the gravel off my yard creeper here, and I will show you. Ignore that and that. Those are just potential candidates for scrap pipe, which turned out I didn't even need, so all good. Okay, there it is. Whoops, it's hard to do one-handed. Okay, so that goes on there, and it will hang up here where it's supposed to, like that. It has some vary in the pitch, the angle of the pipe. Now you might have already figured out where this is headed. I mean, there's only one direction it can head, and I'm only doing this because this is junk pipe. I have no money tied up in it. This muffler came with the truck, so I'm literally just pointing the exhaust in the direction it needs to go, which is, wait for it, out from under the truck. Obviously, once I get it hung, it'll be more like that, but yeah, this is going to be some janky shit. Let me stand up here and get a look at this marvelous, oh god, that's so tacky, it's almost like what you'd see, like something on a ricer. Again, it won't hang that low when I'm done, you'll see that, but it's not going to look pretty. It's a bit loose. Okay, what fell apart here? Okay, I can fix that. That's no big deal. Well, that didn't work so good, did it? Fixed it. Brand new. Thrush glass back, $22 and change. I didn't want to spend the money. I'm unemployed right now, but I got to get this thing to pass inspection. And in Virginia, the muffler has to exit a foot behind the cabin, and I'd say that's a good, better than a foot, so that'll look good. Awesome. Let's see how it sounds. Shall we? Turn off this fucking annoying light first. It should fire right up. I just pulled in the parking lot. Didn't take me 5 minutes to put it on there. I like.